What's the real reason most people never build wealth? It's not a lack of income, it's something deeper, a psychological dependency on constant convenience. The Roman philosopher Seneca saw this 2,000 years ago. He warned that unchecked comfort makes the mind soft, gradually turning trivial luxuries into absolute necessities that hold your life hostage. When you trace the financial habits of the average modern worker, you see a systematic submission to lifestyle creep. Every time they get a raise, where does it go? It's instantly redirected to fund little toll booths of temporary gratification, a nicer car, a bigger apartment, more subscription services. They trap themselves inside a high-overhead lifestyle that demands relentless work just to maintain an illusion of prosperity. It's a destructive economic loop. To break it, you have to do something that sounds radical. Practice voluntary hardship. You have to deliberately strip away your material dependencies to realize how little your character actually needs to survive. Seneca famously advised his wealthy peers to spend a few days each month eating the cheapest food, wearing rough garments, and asking themselves, "Is this the condition I was so desperately afraid of?" When you consciously confront your worst-case economic scenario, you completely destroy the paralyzing fear of poverty that drives so much desperate financial behavior. This isn't just about saving a few dollars, it's an intentional desensitization. It builds an invisible psychological edge in a market driven by panic. Once you're no longer a slave to social expectations, your ability to accumulate capital scales exponentially. Why? Because your consumption floor remains completely flat while your earning capacity surges upward. This structural divergence creates an immense financial surplus, and that surplus is your army. True wealth creation requires you to view your capital as a strategic army of production workers. Every dollar invested is a soldier sent out to capture more ground and secure your autonomy. When you sacrifice that investable capital for a depreciating lifestyle liability, you are effectively dismantling your own defensive line. The crowd believes being wealthy means having an endless stream of expensive things, but true wealth is defined by the depth of your asset reserves and the absolute velocity of your passive cash flow. You must transform your relationship with capital, shift from a consumer-driven mindset into an engineering perspective. Your goal is to build automated pipelines of value that operate entirely independent of your time. By systematically lowering your personal overhead and fixing your attention purely on expanding this asset factory, you insulate yourself from macroeconomic shocks. While unprincipled market participants scale their debts to match temporary paper profits, your disciplined strategy focuses on capturing permanent economic leverage. This level of self-control allows you to see asset crashes not as a crisis, but as a rare opportunity to buy at distressed prices. True sovereignty is realized when your monthly asset yields comfortably exceed your structural baseline expenses. That's the moment you can walk away from a toxic corporate ecosystem without a single moment of financial hesitation. So stop letting marketing algorithms dictate your value patterns. Embrace the liberating practice of strategic moderation and build a self-sustaining empire of capital. Because true wealth is found in what you display to a distracted world, but in the absolute degree of uncompromised freedom you secure over your time.